Prompt engineering is the process of crafting prompts or inputs that can elicit the desired response from a language model like GPT. Here are some tips on how to use prompt engineering to get the best results from ChatGPT. Define your objective. The first step is to define your objective. What kind of response are you looking for? Is it a question that requires a straightforward answer, or a complex task that requires a series of actions? Once you have a clear objective, you can start crafting prompts that are tailored to your needs. Understand the model. It is important to understand the capabilities and limitations of the model you are working with. For example, GPT-3 is good at generating text that follows a given prompt, but it may struggle with tasks that require specific domain knowledge or structured data. Use relevant keywords. Include relevant keywords in your prompts that are related to the topic you want to discuss. This will help GPT to generate responses that are more specific to your needs. Provide context. GPT needs context to generate accurate responses. Providing context can be as simple as including a few sentences that describe the situation or problem you are trying to solve. Experiment with different prompts. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts to see which ones work best. You can try different lengths, structures, and tones to see which prompts elicit the most useful responses. Fine-tune the model. Fine-tuning is the process of training a language model on a specific dataset to improve its performance on a specific task. You can fine-tune GPT on your own data to improve its performance on your specific use case. Overall, prompt engineering can be a powerful tool for getting the best results from ChatGPT. By carefully crafting prompts that are tailored to your needs, you can generate responses that are more accurate and useful. Okay, here is my top 10 tips to get the most from GPT. Remember to please hit that subscribe button. It really does help the channel. Number 1. Provide clear and specific prompts. It's important to provide clear and specific prompts that explain what you want the model to do. Vague or ambiguous prompts can result in irrelevant or nonsensical responses. Number 2. Use natural language. Use natural language in your prompts to make it easier for the model to understand what you're asking. Avoid technical jargon or overly complex sentences that might confuse the model. Number 3. Keep prompts short and simple. Keep your prompts short and simple, ideally 2-3 sentences. This makes it easier for the model to understand and generate responses quickly. Number 4. Use multiple prompts. Use multiple prompts for a single conversation to provide more context and help the model generate more accurate responses. This can also help prevent the model from getting stuck in a loop. Number 5. Include examples. Including examples in your prompts can help the model understand what you're asking for and generate more accurate responses. For example, if you're asking for restaurant recommendations, include a few examples of the types of cuisine you're interested in. Number 6. Use proper punctuation and grammar. Use proper punctuation and grammar in your prompts to make it easier for the model to understand what you're asking for. This includes using capitalization, punctuation, and complete sentences. Number 7. Avoid leading questions. Avoid leading questions that might bias the model towards a specific response. Instead, ask open-ended questions that allow the model to generate a range of responses. Number 8. Be patient. ChatGPT can take a few seconds to generate a response, especially if it's a complex question. Be patient and give the model enough time to generate a response. Number 9. Correct errors. If the model generates an incorrect response, correct it and provide feedback. This can help the model learn and improve over time. Number 10. Fine-tune the model. Fine-tuning the model on your specific use case can help improve its performance and generate more accurate responses. This involves training the model on your own data to improve its accuracy on your specific use case. Overall, following these tips can help you get the best results from ChatGPT and generate more accurate and useful responses.